Hi, in this video we're going to look at 100 squares and how we can use them to help with addition. This is a 100 square. It's a 10 by 10 square with the numbers 1 to 100 in it, starting with 1 in the top left hand corner, and we go left to right counting up to 10 and downwards counting up to 100. For the purposes of this video, these are rows going across and columns are up and down. So let's see how we can use 100 square to help us add up larger numbers. We can use the layout of 100 square to help us do addition problems. So in this example, we've got 56 add 23. The first thing to do is to find the first number. So we look for 56 on 100 square. Here it is. After that, we're going to look at the second number that we're adding. We're going to split it up into tens and units. So you can see 23 has 2 tens and 3 units. Like with column addition, we're going to start with the units. So we're going to count on 3. That takes us towards 59. Next, for our tens, we simply count downwards. So for each 10, we count down 1 row. That takes us here to 79. And if you check that on your calculator, you'll see that it is correct. 56 add 23 equals 79. When using 100 square for addition, sometimes counting the units will take you over the edge of the 100 square. We're going to show you with this problem how to deal with that. So we have the sum 47 add 15. First thing we're going to do is find 47 as before. Then if we look at 15, it's split into 1 10 and 5 units. Watch as we count on 5, it's going to take us over the edge of 50 and count us on the next row. You see we end up there at 52. Count down 1, we end up at 62. So 47 add 15 is 62. On to practice then. So I've put 100 square on the screen here, or you could print one off the internet or even draw your own out if you wanted. There's a selection of numbers here, 24, 36 and 42, and 55, 22 and 18. See if you can combine them into all the addition sums you can find and then solve them using the 100 square. So for example, you'd have 24 add 55, 24 add 18, 24 add 22. Some of them will need counting over the edge like I showed in the last example, and some won't, so be mindful of that. Check your answers with a calculator when you're done and see if you're correct.